Learning English speaking easily requires dedication and consistent practice. Here are some tips that can help. 1. Start with basic vocabulary. Build a foundation by learning common vocabulary that you'll use in everyday situations. Practice using these words in sentences and phrases to help commit them to memory. 2. Listen to native speakers. Listening to native speakers helps you get accustomed to the sounds and intonation of the language. Watch TV shows, listen to podcasts, or attend English-speaking events to hear the language being used in natural settings. 3. Speak as much as possible. The more you speak, the easier it will become. Find a language partner or tutor to practice speaking with, or try speaking to yourself out loud in English. 4. Use visual aids. Use pictures, videos, and other visuals to help you understand new concepts and words. Associating visual cues with words and ideas can make them easier to remember. 5. Focus on practical situations. Focus on using English in practical situations that you're likely to encounter, such as ordering food at a restaurant or talking to a colleague. This will help you develop useful language skills that you can put to use immediately. 6. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Making mistakes is a natural part of the learning process. Don't be afraid to make them and use them as an opportunity to learn and improve. Remember, learning English speaking takes time and consistent practice. Be patient with yourself, and stay motivated. With dedication and effort, you'll be speaking English confidently in no time.